Okay, today I'm going to show you a very easy template to use for bookkeeping. Okay, let's open it. Okay, and this is the input page. You can see it's pretty intuitive. The left hand side is the bank statement. It's just like it's the statement wheel, just like the one you saw on your bank statement. You can record anything, any payment here, or and a little bit different from a standard bank statement is this remark section. You have to fill in all the details of the item that you're going to settle. I simply call it invoice number, and you can it can be a receipt number, any number that you can identify for the item that you purchased. This is pretty much intuitive. Let's say if I pay this with Bank of China, just simply copy, and I don't need to fill in the bank currency. the bank currency. If I paid it with a new bank, NBA bank, then this part is gray, and you have to select whatever currency here. And if I paid it with Bank of Montreal again, I don't need to fill in this part. Okay, and this is the interface that you enter everything. And one nice feature is the addition of the outstanding list for purchase and sales item. Like this one, I go to purchase. It reads from my input, my record transaction interface. There are 3 invoices, payment invoices: PV123 with vendor C, PV456 with vendor D, PV789 with vendor E, and it records it records everything about from remaining balance. It gives you the status, like how much is left out, how much you have paid. Like this one, PV123, you've paid 112, PV123, and it shows that your invoice 112. It's 112. The tax amount is 12. The invoice total is 112, and you've paid 112. Then the remaining balance is 0, and so on. And it also shows you the outstanding amount here, like PV789. You issued an invoice to vendor E on that day, on November 18th, 2011, in Canadian dollar, and the invoice total is 2,400, and the tax amount is 400 Canadian dollar. You received nothing, which you have to put a 0 here. If you settle this amount, let's say like 45, then you have to fill in this part as well. But since this one you haven't received anything, so I put a 0 here on the pay. If it is a sale invoice, then you put 0 here. Okay, 2,400. Okay, and you can go to sales. The same token applies to sales invoice also. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Bye bye.